was doing a little bit of location scouting. Just trying to see the best place, you know, when it's cold and stuff. Business gets kind of slow or has to come indoors. So just kind of walking around trying to, you know, kind of get a fresh eye, because a lot of times, like I do try to shoot here locally, and people ask me for good spots, and a lot of people, they don't always see the beauty that a photographer sees. So I can see something ugly and I can pretty much be like, oh yeah, that'll work. So just like I said, scouting and stuff. Let me see, what are we gonna talk about today? There I am. So basically, real kind of short and sweet. So GoPro is going under. Like, GoPro is kind of about to be up for sale, and being that I just bought the GoPro, it's kind of, I can't say bittersweet, but it's like, damn, if I would have waited, I might have could have got a better deal. From what I've heard, I haven't done no research. This is just off the top of the dome of what I done read and what I recall. There was a fall in stock, basically because, like, the GoPro, I think it still has a lane, personally. But others don't think that. DJI has really come along and just swept. I mean, it can pretty much do anything except for, like, go underwater, whatever, you know what I'm saying? It can shoot, they can follow you while you surfing or riding your bike or whatever. So, that's always something that's very interesting. I like the way that looks. But yeah, man, so they apparently potentially up for business or up for sale here, and who knows what's gonna happen. They had the Karma that was supposed to be coming, or it did come out, and then it flopped. It fell straight on its face, and when I say that, I don't mean it's a pun. Like, they literally were falling out the sky. So I don't know. That's kind of hard to fall back. It kind of puts a bad light on all drones when one of the drones has one falling out the sky. Like, is that what we have to look forward to? People may be a little bit more worried. People that actually follow it, like, it's only really probably the people that follow it. Other than that, like, they already know that it was GoPro. They were trying to keep up with DJI and they couldn't. So that's what it was. Yeah. But yeah, man, I just want to share my thoughts on that with y'all. I think GoPro, I don't know, man. I feel like there's still a lane, because, like, apparently I'm not gonna walk around with holding my drone and shit. You know what I'm saying? It has a gimbal and all of that. Although I've thought about it, but I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? You know how ridiculous I would look out here at the park, walk around with a GoPro or a damn DJI Phantom in my hand. Like, it's crazy, ridiculous. So, I don't know. I'm gonna continue to use mine. I'm gonna continue to upload my videos from it. Compared to my iPhone 10 that I just bought, the video quality, I mean, I can shoot 1080p, 60 frames per second on 4K, 60 frames per second on here, although I don't. And then I potentially could do the same 4K, 30 frames per second on this GoPro, but I don't. I usually go 1080p or dumb it down, especially for these vlogs if they're long. So, yeah. But it's primarily because my internet upload speed is not, it's like fucking 2 megs. Like, it's terrible. So, I'm good with GoPro. So things that I've liked with the GoPro versus my iPhone have been the sound quality. A lot of you guys, well, not a lot of you guys, one of you guys have said that the audio quality is a whole lot better. So that's definitely one of the reasons why I'm definitely gonna, keep using the GoPro. Me personally, I couldn't really tell the difference. Maybe because I was focusing on the visual. I'm a visual person, but depending upon what you're listening to this on, like whether it's a computer with a surround sound system or if it's on your phone, I know a lot of people are watching YouTube on their phone. So if you're watching on your phone and it's a better audio quality and you can tell, then, that's dope, and I'm gonna keep doing them just like this. It can match the requirements for the video that I was doing with the 1080p. We probably get to that. You know what I'm saying? Not with this slow internet I got though. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Like, I want to keep these videos coming. I want to keep them coming consistently and all of that. But if I gotta, if I'm waiting 8 hours for an upload or something ridiculous like that, then it's just not gonna happen. But anyway, it's your boy LS7I254. I'm finna scouting. Remember, identify your weaknesses, making your strengths. Don't.